Brown stew pork with coconut sauce recipe. Full videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome back. Another cooking video. Sunday recipe. I know outside, so I'll show you all of the ingredients them I'm gonna take to prepare my recipe. So we have some Alberta A1 rice right there, and also we have the barbecue sauce. We have coconut. We have ginger, scallion, pepper, onion, Irish. We have a browning. We have a mixed vegetable. Also, we have all of the spices and things. See the peas there with some garlic and ginger. You see the pork there. Never show them that season the pork and thing, guys. So you know, say burn stew with coconut sauce pork. So outside you have some ginger to the pot and thing, and thyme and pepper, garlic. And see the pork into the island thing. So I fry them dry. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Eat. I recipe have a nice eatable, tastable. So you know, say outside cooking at the sun there and thing. Now that preview and thing, you can start by turning pork and things and don't want them burn up. You have to fry them so them crystal burn. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Right, take the time out, big up my mother, I let the pass off too. Big up my father, and big up my son, big up my daughter, big up Father God first, and everything. Also, don't forget big up yourself. Right, the recipe have an eatable, tastable, delicious. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. I'm begging you guys. Right, so if you put them on, put the color on them, so I'm going to fry them golden brown, or me want them guys. The recipe have an eatable, tastable. Remember, burn stew pork with coconut sauce. That's one step by step, guys. Right? Now the update on the pork and thing there. And see, presentation. Yeah, so we have some fry right there, so. Now the update again. We have some also a fry. Same here. Throw them back in the pot and thing now, guys. So I'll add some water to the pot, cook the pork till them get soft. Please remember, you can pressure it also, but normally we just cook pork outside on the coal. Kind of really gas we are use. So you know, say outside we add some garlic till the pork get soft and thing. So I'm setting at the pot how me want them, because I want the water over the pork. They can cook till it get soft. So I'm gonna lock the pot now, make it go and cook. So add some more water, cover the pork how me want it, right? So we have some vegetable, cut up some Irish, carrot, also some sweet pepper and onion. Natural, simple recipe. So, you know, so see the pork a bubble up and thing, guys. Please make the pork cook till it gets soft. So I'm going to show you how me spice up my recipe. All of my ingredients that I use in my recipe, guys. So now that update again from the pork, see pork there and thing. So you know, sir, add the coconut juice to it. Also coconut sauce right there, the coconut sauce, right? So I'm gonna add some little spice and thing, piece more garlic, and more pork cook, little browning to give it color, right? So garlic and thyme to it and little browning to give it color. Lock it to go and cook. So rice and peas there, presentation, eatable, delicious. Guys, man, I'm telling you, like, the recipe is nice, you know, say outside cooking. Yeah. The coconut sauce, you can see custard that boil on and thing from the pork, guys. So the recipe is nice, eatable, tastable. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Please remember to subscribe. Guys, you can see presentation and quality. This is a recipe, guys, you can see. Right? See coconut sauce and thing there. Yeah. I tell you right to mouth there around water, guys. Lock it and go and cook, remember. Make your pork cook till it gets soft, or you want it, right? You can pressure it. The normal cold stove, I cook it on, so add the vegetable and thing to it and thing. They can see presentation and things, and I fix vegetable them. Because I want them cook till them get soft. So I show me prepare my recipe step by step. Another update and thing again. You know, some pork can get soft. I have some ketchup to taste and flavor. Also, I have some barbecue sauce, same here to taste and flavor. And I really enough barbecue sauce. Yeah, taste and flavor same here. So guys, remember say the pork boil on the Maggi season same here to taste and flavor. It's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. So I'm lock it back and thing down to go down, I want it simmer down to gravy. I don't want it too long and I don't want it too thick. I'm not really like my gravy thick. When the gravy thick, it sleep up too much, guys. I want it on normal levels. Yeah. Another update on the pork and see that bubble and simmer down there. It want about 6 more minutes. You can see the presentation and quality of the pork. Okay. So I think the recipe, I'm just there on water, guys. Just can't wait for done the recipe. So well, I'm gonna lock it back, you go and go down. I want it dry down how me want it. Remember say rice, you have to have gravy with the rice, you know guys. So yeah, you go and dry, go down some more. I'll give it to 5 more minutes guys. I want it how me, I want it go down how me want it, right? So you can try the recipe and make it go down. Some people use all cornstarch, but that's natural gravy me want. I don't want no cornstarch on my, I don't want no flour. It's natural Irish, I want to cook with one. Yes guys, now so the recipe ready and thin. You can see the presentation, mixed vegetables, see the pork there. You can see rice and peas, the carrot. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. I'm out.